Hello everyone. In this video, we'll see how to use the visible columns while performing any customization in BWF. Here, the concept is to use an ideal practice which will help to maintain the BWF performance against any customization being used in the agent console view of BWF. For any customization on the case management service bundle on Innovation Studio platform, admins or developers writing customization should avoid using these associated fields. These are the visible columns in BWF case console and is directly used in the associations. One should not do any customization on these views. The associated fields are status, status reason, assigned group, assignee, requester, SLM status, company, source, region, and case site. Let's switch to the system. We have logged into the Innovation Studio as a tenant admin. Under this, go to Workspace, Case Management Service Library, click on Views, select Cases as a view. You'll be presented with this palette. Scroll down to it, click on this section, click Record Grid, and under Settings tab, scroll down. Add and remove grid columns would be the ones which are also associated with those fields. So if you can notice these icons, these are the associated fields like status, assigned group, assignee, requester, the list which we have seen in the PPT. And these fields should not be customized as this can affect the performance of BWF. These are BMC core fields and should not be used as a customization. Thank you for watching this.